gotta love this place, baby. My cow, baby. Check out this space, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby. Damn, baby. My Macau, oh, baby. Whoa, maybe. Checking it out, baby. Gotta get out and go, baby. Whoa, baby. My Minda, maybe. My Macau, oh, baby.
So we're gonna be going up that street in a second. Let me just kind of give you an idea where we are. So this is kind of a one-way street going all the way down. And there's a lot of stuff going on because there's K-pop events going on right now. This is a restaurant right here, which is kind of new and interesting as well, but we're going to be going up this street, so stay tuned. We'll also talk about this right here, so stay tuned for that. Let's put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it! So this right here, they're putting together all these things. So those red poles, they're going up. So you can see one red pole there, and they're going to walk down and show more. It's a nice restaurant right here. Let's see if we can go around quickly. So you can see a lot of, we're going to be going around like this way and go down that way. So let's try to go around. Okay. So that's where we're going to be trying to go. We'll wait for this car to go by first. There's a stream of people here. Okay. So now we'll be able to go up here a little bit. Okay, so this is called Quartel. Calçada du Quartel. We'll try to move a little bit. Capture this better. Calçada du Quartel. And then this street, it used to be kind of bland, and now it's quite colorful. This painting has been here for quite a while, but we're going to go up the hill a little bit, and you're going to see some interesting buildings up there, and I'll explain that more. This has been here for a while, and this one is new. I think they're standing in line to get a shot at that with that Macau one. Let's go. So they have that Macau one right there. Let me see. Got a coffee shop and desserts right there. Let me just see what this one is exactly. Lapman Mansion. We're gonna keep on going up. Let me see. Let's keep on moving up. We're gonna get in some really colorful buildings on to the left here in a moment. These ones. Got a coffee shop, a burger place, and a cigar one. Overall. Okay, let's go up. So that's kind of the full street. You can kind of see the colorful buildings right in here. And then you can also see, if you take a look up here, you can see 1, 2, 3, and there's a whole rooftop up here and a whole rooftop up here. So all three of these are connected. So there used to be this bland gray, and then they colored all three. So I think that's some kind of connection. Got a long line of people here. Oh, Let's see what this is. So I think that's some kind of pop-up store. Pop-up store. So, let me see. Let's go back a little bit. Yeah, it's filled with people today. So yeah, since they've been promoting a lot of K-pop events, so it's bringing in a lot of fans. I guess this line goes all the way around. So maybe we will go around too. We're still on Carmel. This is still all Carmel. So we're still on our Target Street. And that is the line up there. Let's go, let's follow that line. So this line keeps on moving. Okay. So that line's pretty long. And I guess it's all to go into that K-pop store. So let's go up here. Then we can see everything better. So this is this coffee shop. Big long line. If you saw my other video, I was up there on Carmel, like straight up that way. There's a big church up there. It also overlooks the strip. Okay. So Carmel's gonna keep on going and then it ends right over there. So let's follow that. A lot of people around today. Okay. Gonna follow this all the way down. Yeah, tons of people everywhere. Okay. So this is our Target Street right here, Calçada de Quartel. That was basically it right there. And then there's definitely more down this way. Let's just walk over that way. Another pop-up store, I think, right there. Tons of people down that way. And I think I want to just continue our street all the way down, so we're going to do that as well. This is all part of Calçada de Quartel, including this kind of cool building. There we go. Slice of Macau for you. Let's go down this one. We'll go down Kosho. Lots of artwork on this street as well. The stairs. Calçada de Kosho. Calçada is like, I think Calçada is Escada. Escada stairs. It's called Escada de Kosho. Okay, got tons of people down here. We're gonna try to navigate this, and then we're gonna come to the conclusion spot. Let's just kind of meander this way a little bit. Very famous Queenie guy. The street that we're on right now. The street that we're entering right now. So we were basically up that way and then we came around that way. We're gonna end over here by the Fringe Festival event. Okay. Let's end our video. Hopefully that was kind of interesting.